Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide on how to make a melody in Ableton Live. 12. Whether you're just getting started with music production or want to sharpen your songwriting skills, this tutorial will show you how to create catchy emotional or rhythmic melodies using Live's powerful tools. First is open your Ableton Live 12. Now to make a melody, first is double-click an empty slot. Next is right-click and set the fixed grid into your choice. It always depends on you if what you want next is, you can make a loop a bit longer. Now you can choose in what note you want to start your melody and play around in the notes if it sounds good for you or not. And that's how you make a melody in Ableton Live. 12. From building your first musical phrase to shaping a full melodic idea with an intro and outro, you've now got the tools to start crafting songs that truly move people. Remember, melodies don't need to be complex. They just need to be memorable and expressive. So keep experimenting, trust your ears, and most importantly, have fun with the process.